Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a style conversation that could shift the way you view your wardrobe. We're exploring subtle fashion habits that quietly take away from your elegance and presence. It's not about rigid rules, it's about self-awareness, self-respect, and making choices that uplift how you feel and how you show up in the world. Number 1. Tie-dye sweaters and t-shirts. Tie-dye may have had a moment during casual seasons or nostalgic trends, but when it comes to building a wardrobe that exudes sophistication, it often falls short. The swirling colors and random patterns are rarely flattering and tend to lean more toward a youthful, even juvenile vibe that doesn't translate well into an elegant look. Think of flowy tie-dye dresses with soft gradients. Those can lean more elegant and artistic when designed with a flattering silhouette and lightweight fabrics that move with the body. These types of dresses can offer a creative, relaxed charm without sacrificing grace or femininity. Number 2. Whiskered jeans and abrasion details. Whiskered jeans, those with faded lines near the hips, and overly distressed jeans with abrasions or tears are often associated with fast fashion trends. They create visual noise and suggest a lack of care or quality, which subtly diminishes the elegance of your look. Opting for clean, dark wash denim, preferably in solid shades or with very minimal fading, offers a more elevated and flattering silhouette. You'll be surprised how much more versatile and graceful you'll feel in denim that's structured and intentional. Number 3. Acid wash and dirty wash jeans. Acid wash and dirty wash jeans may have been trendy in decades past, but today, they're among the quickest ways to cheapen your appearance. The harsh contrast in colors and the worn-out look can make even the most stylish outfit feel outdated. These jeans often lack the clean finish and subtle sophistication that modern wardrobes are built upon. For a cleaner and more polished look, opt for structured denim in deep indigo, light, or mid-blue tones. Brands like Abercrombie and Levi's often carry high-quality options that blend style with structure. You can also explore black or dark gray tones for more refined and versatile combinations that align beautifully with an elevated wardrobe. Number 4. Dainty floral tops. Florals can be absolutely beautiful, but not all flower prints are created equal. Dainty, overly sweet floral patterns often look juvenile or overly vintage, especially when paired with lightweight, ruffled fabrics. When combined with delicate collars or puff sleeves, the effect leans more into little girl territory than elegant womanhood. If you love florals, go for larger prints with intentional placement or stylized botanical patterns. Choose floral pieces with sharp tailoring or structured silhouettes to maintain balance between beauty and strength. Number 5. Animal print tops. Animal prints, especially leopard, zebra, or snakeskin, can either be bold and empowering or loud and distracting. The issue arises when these prints are used in cheap fabrics or overly tight fits, which instantly downgrade the sophistication of your ensemble. The line between fierce and flashy is thin. If the animal print draws all the attention to itself and not to the way it complements your overall look, it becomes more costume than fashion. To do animal print well, choose subtle tones, matte textures, and classic cuts. Leopard print, in particular, is trending right now, but the key to making it work is to highlight it as the statement piece of your outfit. Also, pay attention to the tone and scale of the leopard print itself, as well as the base color of the fabric. These details can make all the difference in achieving a more balanced and tasteful look. Number 6. Suede pieces. I love suede pieces, especially boots, trench coats, jackets, bags, and skirts. Suede is a rich, beautiful fabric that pairs wonderfully with tones like brown, beige, or camel. But when suede is used in colors like pale pink, bright red, or blue, it often loses the sense of depth and luxury it's meant to convey. The wrong color can make the piece look inexpensive or overly trendy, which takes away from your overall elegance. Another detail to watch for is how suede appears in ballet flats. These shoes can sometimes look flimsy or lack structure, making them less suitable for a refined appearance. When it comes to bags, structure is everything. A well-made suede bag in a deep earthy tone can look elevated and refined, but overly slouchy, soft, or unstructured suede bags, like the one you might see sagging in a product photo, can cheapen your entire outfit. Stick with structured designs in timeless colors to make the most of suede's natural elegance. Number 7. Shiny faux leather bags. Glossy faux leather bags often reflect light in a way that screams plastic rather than luxury. Even if the design is sleek, the shine can undercut the overall sophistication of your look. These bags also tend to age poorly, with cracking, peeling, or stickiness after regular use. Rather than elevating your outfit, they become a distraction, or worse, an eyesore. Choose matte finishes or high-quality vegan leather alternatives that mimic the texture and weight of real leather, especially those that hold their shape well and feature subtle grain detailing. Simple hardware and structured shapes go a long way in creating a refined impression. Number 8. Quilted jackets. Quilted jackets are comfortable and practical, and yes, they might even seem sweet or charming at first glance, but visually, they often create a childlike effect and can resemble a puffy duvet or quilt, which doesn't always flatter the figure. The puffiness and stitching patterns often add unnecessary volume and bulk, making you appear heavier or less structured. Instead of quilted jackets, consider alternatives like cropped trench coats, sleek leather jackets, or even structured cardigans. These pieces offer a more flattering silhouette and can easily be styled for everyday comfort while still maintaining a composed appearance. Number 9. Never wearing accessories. Sometimes the biggest mistake isn't what you wear, it's what you leave out. Neglecting accessories entirely can make your outfit feel unfinished or bland, no matter how stylish your clothing is. Jewelry, belts, scarves, handbags, and even a well-chosen pair of sunglasses add dimension, personality, and intentionality to your look. They help tie everything together and communicate your attention to detail. You don't need to overdo it. A simple gold bracelet, a structured bag, or a pair of classic earrings can add just the right amount of charm. Accessories are the punctuation marks of your outfit. They complete the statement without saying too much. Number 10. Overdone makeup. One of the most common ways to unintentionally cheapen a look is through excessive makeup. While makeup is a wonderful tool for self-expression and enhancement, when it's overdone, it can distract from your natural beauty rather than highlight it. Heavily drawn-on eyebrows, overly dramatic eyelash extensions, and intense lip colors, like very dark or ultra-glossy shades, can sometimes feel too theatrical for an elegant, balanced appearance. Aim for a more understated approach. Softly defined brows, natural-looking lashes, and lipstick in tones that flatter your skin tone will enhance your look without overwhelming it. The goal is not to hide behind makeup, but to let your unique beauty shine through with subtle definition and care. That's it, beautiful people. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new one. Stay stylish and take care of yourself.